this is Glozell. I'm in line, and I'm in line with, what's your name?
Rick Dahlman, San Jose.
Rick Dahlman, San Jose.
Vern Adams.
Vern Adams and
Alice Adams.
Alice Adams. Oh, y'all, okay, y'all together.
Brother, sister.
Brother, sister, okay.
Yeah.
Now, when was the last time I saw you?
August.
August 2007?
Yep.
Okay. Now then, who was the guest on 1979 when you came to the Tonight Show with Johnny Carson?
1979 was May, and it was Ally McGraw. And
what did Carson
cannot
do?
remember the night before he did the gallows where he hung himself with a stunt kind of thing, and then the next day he did Florida Turbo, and he cracked himself up, and he just had to salute and leave because he just couldn't stop laughing.
That's cool.
That was a good one. I've seen that on repeat since then.
I got a question for you. Do you care who takes over the Tonight Show, or you want Jay to stay, or you like Conan, or both, or what?
I enjoy Jay. I think he should stay on a few more years.
You might have to speak a little loud because they don't care about my show.
I think he should stay on a few more years, but I do like Conan a lot. I do watch both shows.
Okay.
I enjoy Conan as well.
Okay. What's your opinion?
Yeah, I think Jay should stay for a few more years.
Few, 1, 2,
5.
5 was a good year. Okay.
5 more years.
And do you have an opinion?
I don't have an opinion.
Do you watch the Tonight Show?
Occasionally. But I'm
She's
usually
probably
in bed.
I knew it. I knew she was in bed. All right. Now, you said something interesting about Johnny Carson. There was an assassination attempt or something like.
Well, I'd read that Mark David Chapman, who shot John Lennon.
The guy who shot John Lennon.
Yeah, when they looked through his material and stuff, Johnny Carson was one of a list of a few targets that he had considered to become famous.
So you were happy when you found out that here at the Tonight Show they have metal detectors and more protection?
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Okay, because you were here, like you heard of that.
Well, I was thinking back on that after Lennon was shot.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you very much. And back to you, Jay.